Hi there. Let's learn about comparison of numbers using greater than, less than, or equal to sign. 247 is a 3-digit number. 3410 is a 4-digit number. A number with a greater number of digits is the greater number. So, the alligator eats the number 3410 as it is greater than 247. Or, 247 is smaller than 3410. To compare the 4-digit numbers, first we look at the thousands place, then the hundreds place, then the tens place, and lastly the ones place. Here, the digits in thousands place of both the numbers are same. The digits in hundreds place are also same. But the digits in tens place are not same. 7 is greater than 4. This makes the number 4673 the greater and 4642 the smaller number.